Good morning, everyone. We have some breaking news to share with you. There has been another outbreak of Ebola in sub-Saharan Africa. There are 30 dead and 53 infected with this terrible disease. Our lab technician will tell you more information about this deadly disease in just a moment.
Hi, I am Kenzie, the lab tech, and here is a picture of Ebola. Ebola is a virus that causes severe bleeding, organ failure, and can lead to death. Ebola was found in 1976 during outbreaks in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Sudan. It is most prevalent in Africa, DRC, Gabon, the Republic of the Congo, Sudan, and Uganda. There are 4 different variants of Ebola. The most known and deadliest one is the Zaire Ebola virus, which was found in Zaire, now known as the DRC. Other variants include the Sudan Ebola virus, Thai forest Ebola virus, and the Bundi-Bagyo Ebola virus. Now we are going to hear from Dr. Dillon, who will elaborate on symptoms and how to properly quarantine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Klein. The symptoms of Ebola are severe headaches, muscle pain, fatigue, sore throat, fever, abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, hemorrhaging, bleeding or bruising, red eyes, skin rash, and hiccups. Ebola spreads through direct contact and other bodily fluids, such as blood, coughing, sneezing, and tears, where it occurs very rapidly and is extremely contagious. Some ways to prevent Ebola are avoiding contact with infected items such as clothes, needles, and medical equipment. Avoid funerals or burial practices that involve touching the body of someone who is suspected or confirmed to have Ebola. The Ebola virus is detected in blood after the start of symptoms. It may take up to 3 days after symptoms start for the virus to reach detectable levels. Polymerase chain reaction, PCR, is a diagnostic method for Ebola because it can discover low levels of an Ebola virus. We are now going to hear from an infected patient over a video call.
Hi, I am Red and I've contracted Ebola through a family member who died from it. Ebola is a very painful disease to have and I don't know if I will survive from it since I didn't get the Ebola vaccine. I was doing some research on an Ebola website and discovered that the symptoms can be severe, and according to the website I am in the 2nd stage. My intestines and tissue are damaged inside due to the virus multiplying in order to attack my cells. I have been affected tremendously due to all the symptoms I have felt, and this is my 7th day of being infected. I am currently being treated with fluids and medicines for vomiting, fever, and diarrhea. I trust my treatment crew of doing the best they can even if I don't survive, but I highly recommend receiving the Ebola vaccine beforehand so you have a higher chance of survival if you are affected.
And that's all, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Tune in next time.